Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your privacy with McAfee Security, full guide step by step. Open your McAfee Security application. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the official McAfee website. Once installed, launch the application and sign in with your account. Navigate to the dashboard to view an overview of your security status. Click on the privacy section located in the side menu. You will see several options related to privacy protection. Start by enabling the VPN feature to secure your internet connection. Select a server location for the VPN that best suits your needs. Ensure that the Auto Connect option is turned on for continuous protection. Next, access the Identity Theft Protection feature. This tool will monitor your personal information against potential breaches. Enter your email address and other necessary details for monitoring. Proceed to enable alerts to receive notifications about any suspicious activity. Now, locate the Web Protection option within the Privacy section. Turn on browser protection to safeguard against malicious websites. Activate Safe Search to filter out dangerous search results. Next, explore the File Encryption feature. Choose sensitive files that you want to encrypt for added security. Follow the prompts to set up encryption and protect your files. Now, let's configure the Secure Vault. This is a safe area to store sensitive documents and passwords. Set up a strong password for your Secure Vault. Add files and documents that you consider private. You can also utilize the Password Manager to securely store your login credentials. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Now, let's turn to the Data Breach Monitoring feature. This will help you keep track of any potential leaks involving your data. Enter the details requested to ensure comprehensive monitoring. Regularly check this feature for any alerts about potential breaches. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.